So this guy right here said Sprite challenge. You gotta try to not burp.
Cheers.
I'm gonna pee probably. Oh my god. I don't like it. Make it stop.
They're up already.
It feels like a sword. Like a medieval sword. Oh my god.
I'm good now. Oh shit. Drink half of it.
Oh, you bitch.
See if that helps.
Ooh. Puke that fucking way.
No.
8 fucking hours later, SpongeBob. I
Can't do it.
you almost did. Make me burp that much. Sean's a bitch. He took forever to check. So send me some more challenges. That was fun.
Good. I think I can beat you on beer. I can't chug Sprite.
He's never been able to. He's a bitch.
She can't even handle.
No,
she
what?
can't chug beer.
Whatever. All right, bye.